You've been sued. That's the message to Washington County's district attorney, the former president judge, and the county coroner. And it all stems from the prosecution of a father who's accused of killing his baby boy.
In court papers, the defendant's lawyer accuses all three of trumping up charges and traumatizing the family by holding on to the body for months. Here's KDKA lead investigator Andy Sheehan.
He's been in jail for 2.5 years, awaiting trial in the death of his 2-month-old baby. But his attorney says Jordan Clarke is innocent and is being framed by Washington County District Attorney Jason Walsh with the help of a judge and the county coroner.
This should have never been filed in the first place. There was no evidence, and Walsh steered this and concocted a murder here.
In a suit filed this week, attorney Noah Gary accuses Walsh of ignoring the evidence and taking extra legal steps to prosecute his client, including enlisting Judge John DeSalle and coroner Tim Walko to suspend the funeral and withhold 2-month-old Sawyer Clarke's body from the family for 7 months, resulting in advanced decomposition.
It's traumatic to the mother, the father, grandparents, aunts, relatives. 7 months of totally unnecessary and illegal decomposition of a 2-month-old little boy, an infant.
Neither Judge DeSalle nor Coroner Walko would comment, and Walsh also declined, except to say, quote, "This is par for the course for Mr. Gary. He's representing a person accused of killing a child. I would think that's a bigger issue." But the suit is the latest in an ongoing legal battle over the fate of Jordan Clarke, who told police at the time he tripped and fell on the child, rendering the baby unconscious. Sawyer Clarke died 2 days later at UPMC Children's Hospital. Although the Allegheny County Medical Examiner's Office ruled the manner of death, quote, could not be determined, the suit alleges Walsh got an order from Judge DeSalle to retain the body and directed/influenced Coroner Walko to state the death was caused by shaken baby syndrome.
Walsh is trying to make this a crime when there is no crime.
I wish there were no children killed, but when they are, I have to react. It's my job to react.
While Gary accuses Walsh of trying to paint himself as a tough-on-crime DA, in prior reports, Walsh has cited testimony from a doctor at Children's who said Sawyer Clarke's injuries were not consistent with a fall. Blunt force trauma to the head and torso, and bruises on the child's body.
We've had a preliminary hearing on this where medical experts, doctors have testified as to their opinion as to how the origins of these injuries would have been come to be.
The court did hold Clarke for trial and has rejected prior motions to dismiss the charges and prevent Walsh from seeking the death penalty, which he is in this case, and 8 others.
If you kill a child under these types of circumstances, I will seek the highest form of punishment allowable by law.
Attorney Gary wants these homicide charges to be dropped against Jordan Clarke and for his client to be released from jail. And if the civil suit is successful, he's seeking financial damages against the district attorney, the judge, and the coroner. Reporting at the Washington County Courthouse, Andy Sheehan, KDKA-TV News.